Hi and welcome to episode number 601 with whatsforchow.com. After a short holiday following episode 600, I'm back. Tangzhong milk buns have a supremely soft, light and feathery texture all their own. However, they are actually too soft to be used as burger buns. I've adjusted the original Tangzhong recipe, keeping the technique to make a firmer bun with the same light and airy texture that makes for the perfect burger bun. In addition, these buns have a much better shelf life and freeze exceptionally well too. The quantities mentioned in the video are for larger stand mixers. If you are using a 5-liter stand mixer, simply divide the quantities in half. To start, place 1.35 kilograms of all-purpose flour in your stand mixer bowl along with 15 milliliters of salt, 10 grams of active dry yeast and 30 ml of sugar. Give these a quick stir to combine. Add 75 grams of all-purpose flour to a medium-sized pot and pour in 375 milliliters of water. Use a whisk to mix this until smooth. Measure out 450 ml of full cream milk, 90 ml of sunflower oil and beat 3 eggs. Put these aside for later. Place the pot over medium-low heat and gently heat the flour mixture. Whisk the mixture continuously. As the mixture heats up, it will start to thicken. Continue whisking to keep the mixture smooth. The mixture will soon thicken to a porridge consistency and will become slightly translucent. Remove the pot from the heat and whisk in the milk. Pour in the eggs and whisk these in. And finally whisk in the oil. Pour this mixture into the mixing bowl on your stand mixer. Start the mixer kneading on medium-slow speed and allow this to continue kneading for 15 minutes until the dough is nice and smooth. Remove the bowl from the machine, cover with cling wrap and allow the dough to rise in a warm place for 90 minutes or until at least doubled in size. Turn the dough out onto your work surface. Do not dust the surface or dough with flour. It will not be necessary and will actually harm the texture of the buns. Knead the dough briefly to knock any large air bubbles out. Using your scale, divide the dough into 100-gram portions for regular burger buns, 120-gram portions for large buns, and 150-gram portions for giant buns. I'm making regular size buns which are perfect for 100 gram or quarter-pound patties. To form the buns, stretch the dough from the top of the portion of dough to the bottom, working around the edge of the dough. Encircle the dough in your index finger and thumb and crimp the bottom of the bun together. Place the bun on the work surface, cup your hand over the bun and finish rounding it with a circular motion. Press the bun flat and transfer it to a baking sheet lined with baking parchment. Continue with the remaining buns, leaving about a ½ inch of space between each one. Cover the buns loosely with cling film and allow these to rise in a warm place for 45 minutes, or until they are touching as they are here. 30 minutes into the rise, start preheating your oven to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Brush the buns with beaten egg and sprinkle the tops liberally with whole sesame seeds. Bake the buns in the center of your oven for 15 to 20 minutes until golden on top. Remove the buns from the oven and transfer them to cooling racks. If we cut one of these beauties open, we see the amazing light, airy, feathery texture with excellent oven spring and an improved firmness, making these perfect for burger buns. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again tomorrow.